Welcome to Sharadvi More English School online lecture. So student, yesterday we have already started the practice 3.1 and we have seen the yes two questions of question number 1 state whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomial and justify your answer. Okay, ये हम लोगों ने already yes two questions देखा था. Now you see the third one. Now third one is x square plus 7x plus 9. So here we have to justify this is a polynomial or not polynomial. इसको हम लोगों को check out करना है. Okay, so let's see it is a polynomial or not polynomial. So here see the yes power of the first term is x is 2 and power on the second term is 1. So here the power on variables are whole numbers or you can say positive integer. That's why yes it is a yes polynomial. ये जो expression है या algebraic expression क्या है, polynomial है. Okay, so yes now first second it was not polynomial. Now yes third one is the polynomial. So let's see yes what you have to write here. यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है देखेंगे अभी हम लोग. Now see the third one. Answer x square plus 7x plus 9 is a polynomial because power on variable is a whole number, full stop. So this is the reason, okay, why the is given expression is a polynomial. So yes, why it is polynomial? Because the power on this x square is 2 and this 2 is a whole number. The power on this x is 1, so its power is also whole number, and power on the constant term will be 0. Okay, so here is all the powers are in the whole number or you can say the positive integers. That's why it is a polynomial. Now let's see the fourth one. Fourth देखना है अभी हम लोगों को. Fourth one is 2m to power minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. So here, okay, the yes one term of this expression having the power minus 2 means negative power. So that's why it is not polynomial. In 2m square plus 7m minus 5, the power of first term is not whole number. Okay, means negative here. Therefore 2m to power minus 2 plus 7m minus 5 is not a polynomial. That's why it is not a polynomial. इसलिए polynomial नहीं है. It's clear now? समझ में आ गया कि कौन सा polynomial है और कौन सा नहीं है. Which expression is quadratic polynomial and which is not. Now yes, next one. Next question. Write the coefficient of the m cube in each of the given polynomial. Next question is question number 2. Write the coefficient of m cube in the given polynomial. So here what is given? Write the coefficient of the m cube. So here we have to write down the coefficient of only m cube. Okay, सिर्फ m cube का ही लिखना है. Okay, दूसरे का लिखना नहीं है. सिर्फ किसका लिखना है? m cube का. Write the coefficient of m cube in the given polynomial. So now see the first one, m cube. So now write down the answer is m cube. Okay, there is no any number written before the m cube. So when there is no number written before the variable, then coefficient is 1. Coefficient of m cube is 1 here. So write down coefficient of m cube is 1. Okay, now your second one, minus 3 upon 2 plus m minus under root 3 m cube. Okay, so here coefficient of m cube we have to write. Now here there are the three terms. First term is minus 3 upon 2. Second term is m and its coefficient is 1. And coefficient of m cube is minus under root 3. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या है coefficient? Minus under root 3. Coefficient of m cube is minus under root 3. So now see, yes, before m cube what is written here? Minus under root 3 is written, because in standard form all the terms are separated by the positive sign and here negative sign is present. That's why here coefficient will be minus under root 3. Now see the next one. Next, third one, minus 2 upon 3 m cube minus 5 m square plus 7m minus 1. So now see the terms present in this question. Here m cube. Before that there is minus 2 upon 3. This is m square. But we have to write down the coefficient of only m cube. So now yes, here the coefficient of m cube is minus 2 upon 3. Coefficient of m cube is minus 2 upon 3. Okay, it means that coefficient may be positive or negative or in fraction. Okay, but it's here if its coefficient is asked, so it may be 0 also. ये 0 भी हो सकता है. Okay, now see the next question. Next question हम लोगों को देखना है अभी. Yes, question number 3. Write the polynomial in x using the given information. Now what we have to do? Next part of it. Next question, question number 3. Write the polynomial x using the given information. क्या करना है? Polynomial लिखना है. Write the polynomial. Write the polynomial in x means using the variable x, using the given information. Using the given information. Full stop. Now yes, first one. अब इसमें first one क्या देखो? Monomial having degree 7. Monomial having degree 7. Okay. Now see, monomial having degree 7. Monomial means having the only one term. Okay, and its degree should be 7, and here variable should be 7 x. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Variable क्या लेना है? X लेना है. That is mentioned in the question. So here what you will write? Variable x, and yes, it should be monomial having the degree 7. So here you have to write down the power 7. Now second one. Binomial having the degree 35. Binomial having the degree 35. So here we have to write down the binomial means that expression polynomial contain the two terms. इसमें कितने terms होने चाहिए? 2 terms होने चाहिए. Okay, कितने terms होने चाहिए? There must be 2 terms. So now let's see binomial and having a degree of 35. So here maximum degree will be 35. So here we have to write down x to power 35. Here you can write down the positive or negative. Anything you can write down. Okay, so yes, here suppose this is x square. Okay, understood? Or you can write down any number, then also it will be the yes binomial. Trinomial having degree 8. And now trinomials, and maximum degree is 8, and variable used is x. So x square plus, suppose here you can write down as x to power 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to write, plus 6. Okay, so this is the expression having the 3 terms. That's why it is trinomial, and the maximum power on this is 8. That's why its degree is 8. Because here the variable used is only one variable. Now see the fourth one. Next question. Question number 4. Write the degree of given polynomial. Now question number 4 is write the degree of given polynomial. Okay. So now yes, we have studied that when there is only one variable in the polynomial, then the highest power will be the degree of that polynomial, and if there are more than one variable in the polynomial, then the highest sum of the powers will be the degree of that polynomial. So let's see. Now yes, first one, under root 5. Okay, क्या है ये? अंडर रूट 5 है। तो नाउ यस राइट डाउन इट्स आंसर। तो दिस इज द कांस्टेंट टर्म एंड कांस्टेंट टर्म हैविंग द यस डिग्री 0। तो क्या होगा आंसर में, डिग्री ऑफ polynomial is 0। ओके, रीजन क्या है, कांस्टेंट टर्म। ओके, नाउ ये सेकेंड वन, सी द सेकेंड वन, एक्स स्क्वायर, ओके sorry, x to power 0। okay, now yes, write down the answer। so here what is the degree, degree is 0 comma the degree of given polynomial is 0। so here 0 is mentioned। okay, now yes, see the third one। थर्ड देखो अभी, x square, क्या है, x square। now yes, write down its degree, x square comma the degree of given polynomial is 2। now yes, fourth one, फोर्थ देखो, फोर्थ क्या है, अंडर रूट टू m to power 10 minus 7। okay, so this is the binomial and having variable m and the highest power on this variable is 10। इसका हाईएस्ट पावर क्या है, 10 है। तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे, एंड अंडर रूट 2 इज द कोएफिशिएंट, द डिग्री of given polynomial is 10। okay, so here the power on n is 10, so that's why its degree is 10। now see the fifth one, fifth देखो अभी, क्या है फिफ्थ वन, 2p minus under root 7, 2p minus under root 7। now write down the answer, what is the power on this p, power is 1, when there is no power mentioned on the variable then power is always 1। so write down, in 2p minus under root 7 the degree of polynomial is 1। okay, now sixth one, 7y minus y cube plus y to power 5, 7y minus y cube plus y to power 5। now write down the answer, in 7y minus y cube plus y to power 5 comma the degree of polynomial is 5 because the highest power on variable is 5। okay, here power is 3, here power is 1, so biggest power is 5, so therefore the degree of polynomial is 5। full stop। it's clear now student, सबको समझ में आ गया क्या, और स्टिल एनीवन हैविंग द डाउट्स, किसी को है क्या डाउट्स, और समझ को सबको समझ में आ गया। okay student, now see the next one, seventh one, xyz plus xy minus z। okay, now you see there are the more than one variable in xyz। okay, in this polynomial there are three variables x, y and z। so here its power is 1, the power on x variable is 1, power on y variable is also 1, and power on x is also 1. Here 1 and 1, and this is only 1. So here the maximum power is x, y, z. So this is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. And for xy term, this will be 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. And for z, this is 1. So here biggest sum of power is 3. Okay, तो यहाँ पे क्या है? Yes, biggest sum of the power is 3. Now in xyz plus xyz, the degree of polynomial is 3. Okay, because here there is more than one variable in the given polynomial. इस polynomial में एक से ज़्यादा क्या दिया हुआ है? इस वेरिएबल. तो यहाँ पे क्या लेंगे? Okay, understood student? तो whenever there is more than one term, जहाँ भी क्या होगा, एक टर्म से ज़्यादा होगा, तो वहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा? हम लोगों को सम ऑफ पावर्स लेना पड़ेगा, और सम ऑफ पावर्स में जो सबसे बिगेस्ट सम होगा, दैट विल बी द yes degree of that polynomial. Now you see the last one, m to power 3 n to power 7 minus 3m to power 5 n plus mn. Okay, m to power 3 n to power 7 minus 3m to power 5 n plus mn. So here also there are the two variables. Okay, in this expression there are the two variables. So here also we have to find out the sum of the variable, sum of the powers. Okay, on each term. So here in m cube n7 minus 3m to power 5 n plus mn, comma, the degree of polynomial is. Now here, what is the degree of polynomial? Degree of polynomial is 10. Let's see how it is 10, because in first term n cube n7, so now 3 plus 7 is equals to 10. Now yes, for second term 3 m to power 5 n, so now yes, 5 plus 1, so because power on n is equals to 1, so this is 6. And for mn term 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So well, here biggest sum of powers is 10. So therefore degree of polynomial is 10. Understood? So whenever there are more than one terms in the given polynomial, then that in that polynomial we have to yes take the sum of the powers, and biggest power is degree of that polynomial. Understood student? Now yes, we have to see the question number 5. Classify the following polynomial in linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So now yes, we have seen we have learned yesterday that yes, on the basis of the power of the variable, the quadratic polynomial is classified into the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and the cubic polynomial. इस तरह से तीन polynomial में क्या करते हैं हम लोग, तीन ग्रुप में इसको डिवाइड करते हैं. Okay, now see the next question. Question number 5. Classify the following polynomial. क्या is classify the following polynomial. Classify following polynomial in linear, in linear, comma, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. Full stop. Okay. So under that, the first one is 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay. Second one is 5p, and third one under root 2 y minus 1 upon 2, and fourth n cube plus 7m square plus 5 upon 2 m minus under root 7, and fifth one a square, sixth one 3r cube. Now yes, answer. Now yes, observe the first one here, the 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So now yes, highest power is 2. Okay, and when the highest power is 2, then the yes polynomial is called as the quadratic polynomial. So here we have to write down as linear polynomial, linear polynomial. That next क्या होगा? Yes, quadratic polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and third cubic polynomial. Okay, so now yes, find out. Now yes, see the first one, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. So here highest power is 2, that's why this is the quadratic polynomial. So here write down 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Now next one, 5p, the power on variable p is 1, so that's why it is a linear polynomial. Next one, under root 2 y minus 1 upon 2. Here variable is y. यहाँ पे variable क्या है? y है. क्या है वेरिएबल? y, and its power is 1. इसके ऊपर पावर क्या है? 1 है. तो this will be a linear polynomial. Okay. Now you see the third one. Here n cube. Now yes, power on variable m is 3. So that's why it will be cubic polynomial. Now see the next one. M cube plus 7m square plus 5 upon 2 m minus under root 7. So here m having the yes highest power 3. यहाँ पे m का highest power क्या है? 3 है. So this will be also cubic polynomial. So n cube plus 7m square plus 5 upon 2 m minus under root 7. Okay. Now see the next example, a square. Next example में क्या है? a square. So now yes, there is a power 2 on variable a. That's why it will be the yes cubic polynomial. Now see the next example, 3r cube. Now here the power on variable r is 3. That's why this will be the cubic polynomial. Okay. So based on the power of the polynomial, it is classified into the linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. Now see the next one. अब next देखना हम लोगों को क्वेश्चन क्या है? Write the following polynomial in standard form descending powers. Next question is question number 6. Write the following write the following polynomial polynomials in स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. कौन से फॉर्म में लिखना है? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एंड ब्रैकेट descending powers. Okay, means decreasing orders of their powers. So now you see the first one, m cube plus 3 plus 5m. Okay, now it's standard form. Write down the answer. Highest power is 3 and next power must be 2, but 2 is not here. Then yes, next one is the power 1. So here, yes, m cube plus. Now yes, after the m cube there should be m square, but m square term is not here. Okay, the m having the power 1 is present, so yes, that we have to write down the second position, 5m plus. Now yes, constant term. It's clear now? Your second one, minus 7 y plus y to power 5 plus 3 y cube minus 1 upon 2 plus 2 y to power 4 minus y square. Okay. Okay, now see the question. What is the question? Minus 7y plus y to power 5 plus 3y cube minus 1 upon 2 plus 2y to power 4 minus y square. Okay. Now yes, write down the answer. So first you check out the highest power. So highest power is, now see here, power on the y is 5, here 3, here 4, here 2. So highest power is 5. So yes, here first we have to write down the yes power 5. So now yes, here answer y to power 5. After that yes, y to power 4 will come, and this is present as plus 2 y to power 4, 2 y to power 4, and then y to power 3 y cube. Now yes, after cube there will be power 2, so y square. Now yes, after y square the y terms will come, so here there is minus 7y, and after this the constant term will come, minus 1 upon 2. So this is the yes arrangement of the polynomial in standard form in descending powers. Descending power 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yes, then power 0 means constant term. Now see the question number 7. Question number 7 देखना. Write the following polynomial in coefficient form. Write the following polynomial. Write the following polynomial in the coefficient form. इसमें लिखना है coefficient form में लिखना है. It's clear now?